is this? Yeah, okay. So we're going to be installing the server 2008 today, and the first thing you're going to want to do is go on to Google, and you want the Virtualbox. So you can get this from the website. You see here, I already have it. It's in downloads, and you want Windows host. Next up, well, I already have this. So next up, you're gonna want server 2007. Yeah, you can get it from here and click download, but again I already have this, so we're going to be moving on from here. Next. Well, I will show you how download looks, but it's taking a while, so we're going to go on to Virtualbox. Once you already have it installed, you just click up on it like so, and next we have the name of it, so I'm going to call it server 2007 here, 2008 I mean. Yeah, and we click next. Okay, and you can see the settings you have here. They are the type of server you want, so they have the operating systems as well as the type. Next up, we have the amount of memory and RAM you want to dedicate. I'll leave it on the basics. They ask you if you want to create a disk for a thing. We'll create a disk. Whoops, went on the wrong thing. It's not quite yet. Cancel out of there and go back on the default option. Next. And yeah, you're just going to leave it next. Yes. Next. We go with the recommended settings here. They ask for the name again, but we already typed that out first time. Next. And here we have it. Now you can check out the settings on your own, and you can see all the different options we have here. I'm just going to click through a few of them to show you. Yeah, we're leaving everything in the basic now because we don't really need anything specific changed, so just clicking through. Yeah, next we're going to double click on our server and run. It's loading up here. Okay, and next they're going to ask us to set up the disk. Now we're going to go and have our disk downloaded. As you can see, we looked for it before. Mine's already downloaded. I have, yeah, and we go on start. Now you can see the thing is loading up, and it's already loading the files. I don't like the screen like this. How do I change this? Okay, I'm going to scaled mode. Yes. And okay, things look a lot better now. Okay, so it's loading up, as you can see here. Okay, here we select our installation language, leave that in English. Time and currency, Trinidad and Tobago, and keyword input method, leave that in US. Okay, next, and we just click install now. Waiting. Alright, I do not actually have a product key for the activation, so we're just going to uncheck this and move along from here. If you happen to have it, then you can go ahead and enter it, but I do not have a product key, so we shall just be ignoring this. This is just for teaching purposes. So no. And loading. There's some more. Any second now. Okay. All right, so we're going. It's 2008. Oh, I must have downloaded. Okay, this is not installation for 2008. My bad. All right. Okay. So we're going to go with standard full installation. Recheck this box. Next. And well, you're going to want to read through this. I'm not going to read through this on screen. I'll honestly read through some of it. Next. And we're going for custom because we do not have the settings. And this is where we'd like to install the Windows. This is where we allocated our disk space to earlier. I'll get rid of those. And we're going to click next. And so the installation begins. This is a very long process that I'm not going to sit through and talk with you over, but we'll get back to it once it's done. To note, the system will restart a few times throughout the process, so something to take note of. Alright, and we will be back once this is done. Okay. As you can see here, the thing has restarted a few times. It's setting up here. So we wait and okay. I see it's now it's completing the installation. Just so you know, that did take quite a while. Must have been about 45 minutes while I waited for that. And so we wait a little more and see how long this takes. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, it restarted again. And we're now waiting some more. Okay, yeah, so now that it is installed, we're going to need to change our password for the first login. So I'm going to set my password to password for simplicity's sake. Password and confirm the password, which again is password. So we move on from here. Next. Oh, right. I forgot we needed to have a more complex password. So we're using numbers, uppercase and lowercase. In this case, I'll be using password again, but with a capital P and the @ sign for the A and 1 at the end. So it's P @ sword 1. Okay. Once that's done, next it's changing the password. The password has been changed and it's preparing the desktop. Yep. This shouldn't take too long, just a few more moments. And here we are. You've just installed the Server 2008. Thank you for watching, and I'll be up with the next tutorial soon.